papato akra we
ya de na be show nsa tete
na akra we
na that bi o ma ya panipa no
akra we de ho akono gwe
ono na twem
akra we ne ho akono wo he
ba prof no kwasem ne se na nkora no aba no so wo akora 13 years a anhwe nyanyame pa suro ne wo mu ahwa baka sa akora no ni 13 years o sani yankoda no a wo mo ba no
oh ba de no nkyere sa
oh ano nkyere sa
it doesn't give you
so ma ho kwan se ne nkora no nkora ba na nkora no mo ba no so wo so sei
David ya dia akora na browse ya dia akora na
browse teacher ni wo so yo to ho asabra
ya dia akora bra wo teacher ni set it no na akora kra ya bibi sexual
ya wo teacher ni na esa wo
wo kra na wo so tia akora no
e wo se wo teacher ni no wadwene mu dose na akora na wo so akora no so e na akora no aba no prof
no crescent
me se bi so wo hwe
me
ka wa kra wo teacher ka ba kan
me attempt me Baby, me am tell you cry attempt me.
Just say dey here kan wudi mu adanse.
Wudi cry attempt me. But I will never koto to it.
Taking your integrity as
to the call. So. You will be so on my own to me.
One sana.
I want to me the
other me hwe uko your friend is saying school ya teachers training college. Your mouth all that just say ye sanema ni nyina fi wadwen mu. Na de papa na hyem ni aka kire so akora na akwa kire na ade no akora na ote sen kra no wasai kra na wono morally no wabaje ntete enti wo na wo se wo di sasu
that's right
a teacher for your training college anya izo mimi kalta wana me Wesley College Kumase anya izo because the teacher do be fremu no wo be back out no now we are fully baked
equipped yeah
psychologically. So what I say, and you know, teachers, you know, me I'll follow the teachers.
Enti na dia na asasa.
That's a suban bonny teachers for the be a suban bonny. Suban bonny. Suban bonny.
Say suban na enye free ni fie ba enti.
Me try.
Akura no so nye yenka bibi nkyira nkoda no.
Me buy na me try dey to Bodom Senior High School. A young teacher in 1997. Me first post say, "Oh, me fepa o."
Na we akura we akura pa.
That's all you crap, but wouldn't they make a trade? Make a trade and say, yes. Me, Abuchi Minya Wodia. So what I say, me, Abuchi Minya Wodia. And I also crano, baby, I will. Now, Acolano, a per se, or Timmy runs for him. And I'm saying, crew away. Parame. So what I say, but me to tis Acrano. I didn't make stroke one so I can such a crano. So what I say, Kasachra Crano, and that crano, Wababe Penimu Ghana ha. And that Sa Crano, I could say to me, Wababe Penimu Ghana ha. Menu Casay. Or to me from your answer, Abuchi. Medawase. This is Abuchi Medawase. Because in someone, Nana may catch that crano. Says a Lydia Crano, I'm a crano, Ababe Penimpa.
Sure.
But teacher Nibi or better key advantage. Now school fees cry minimum idea about paper and any birthday. Now you know about it saying.
Also, Prof.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Prof.
Wish you God's blessings.
Amen. Prof.
Prosperity.
Amen.
Good health.
I receive.
My bomb pie say, afisi say, nanya me engosra atoso.
Amen.
Na unam station to station.
Yes.
Now ukanya miasem.
Amen.
Ujitum.
Mejitum say nyame adwuma na hwe na ode akoso.
Nyame adwuma na hwe.
Na ode akoso.
Akoso.
Yes.
Now when was the last time I called sorry?
Oh, Prof. This Sunday mentimi anko, but last week me koy.
Sorry ben.
And me koje obi wo apostolic.
Ukoje obi wa hwe. Ati wo kasa wuntimi nsore nko asore.
Prof unim dentia. Prof unim dentia.
School fees. Enti sa sur ban we wunim Christ.
Oh, Prof minim.
And I just be say tempti wa. Ubewi no.
Oh, why not?
I was here to
Prof, what my baby? Me my child there 7 years.
What child there 7 years? That's
one said. The man me jad the chair cry and say, a natural. Me who say most of my students, you know, they had interest in me. They were very young, but this is how it starts. Once I hear church any original students in any obi wa oba so obetie wo asua ade obi wa wo dress ya ode aba no any fe even though so nkra na ye hu so omu so ano omu so asa o experience bi na omu nim
me pacho school fees you na free so you know.
Oh no I might be wrong but the person me chen say e ma ye ndwene se omadwene mu no omu nim bibia
omu nim
but just say experience bi na omu nya even though say
who training college
o manya ntitie bebre
they do training college
man ko training
anti na kasasa
nti ma memfa on ko training college
anti mo ko private schools no
ma memfa on private training college for there no
prof ya mutaya kurani ya kasara
sa de no mo say
no you see no the argument you are making no he doesn't
listen prof
anti ultra there no
I didn't do that
anti ultra there no kurado do say na we
I didn't do that nanka me can be see
anti there na we
the me can be see so ne say
yes
ucheche ni no one who say sa de no wo is there you can never do away with it but when I say what advice won kura no because a stage akura bia ye den a do sa stage na we pass through that process to teacher no well so won akura ni so and you can say oh yeah it's natural but be mu take advantage but the
me teachers do not take advantage
oh I can't tell because man who be and ye ho no that thing wasn't there ya na aba a mo bedua o school nim say man paying na nhwe to sa ne ma na
chale na uni masem we amaking me ameba owie senior high pepe senior tiu after the baby friend Debbie dada wa ene na odo me akomi me o ma me wa ara wo ya me ba fu na ebe yi obi a wa wie SHS we shane sa bi se me body blow I wanna me sa dream yes and I'm saying no na me friend and I'm a cancel no anyway you university
yeah
they say more na me te hayo
and I believe say yenya counselors e wo schools I be boa this time
that time no David many engage teacher bi so I don't know why but every year say
no we ya da ka go ko
prof I think that the okay e be very important say you be share I introduce you counselors.
Oh, they are already counselors.
And I think that
no, they are guidance and counseling.
So they are doing their work.
They are doing their work. They are doing their work.
We got a teacher for bre.
No.
And this particular word, teacher Nyake Travel from. Say teacher for bre. Oh, they are really suffering. I don't think I'm more to or more fast or higher no. Sentina bi mo de we need to.
All right, but monya mama na me kwa homa no so mbra sisia. Yenya the general secretary for nata meneno eba bedi enkomo sisi me pacho okay Reverend Isaac Owusu ono ye general secretary ewo nat na ye ne ndi nkomo Reverend yema akwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Hello Reverend Isaac Owusu pacho online so.
Hello.
Thank you for your time this afternoon. But I am a part of your membership, NAT, Ghana National Association. So it's a privilege to have you and to be talking to Miami General Secretary. That is the first issue. But over the weekend, I am Minister for Education, Haruna Idrisu Sabri. Woko Mauli Senior High School Abrano Mudi on anniversary. Now what they are two teacher for ni mu say. And kebe ya.
Hello.
Me patro me kan.
Me patro I hope say wrong identity na.
Wrong identity home. Oh, okay. So we sincerely apologize. It's not the person that we wanted to call, but I know, say the producer will do us the honor of getting the right person for us this afternoon live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Maminka Ubio say, show we your boyfriend or maso yasne adebia de show ye ebremo. Electroland Ghana Limited. That is the home of quality electronics. I'm talking about Electroland Ghana. As in when a program no kono, enyadia me de be kame mo meka mo hu nsem akireo. Saso na 21st clinic minimum kasai afibia no, wa mo ye free screening and treatment for a year ma wa mo kunu ewu eja wo mo. Sasuna eye enkoda wo mu ready emfie 18 years and below sankola ne nyina no ade a sankola ne nyina no omo ye free screening and treatment e ma sankola na on papa ne on mama ewu obi also anani papa ewu ni mama ni bi mu nyina mo ka ho bi 21st clinic adaroma eye free treatment na mpacho ye be ma free consultation or may free lab and free diagnosis. Na kai say do I be ma okra no so ye free. Ye wie so a so open massage e be massage we no so ye free. Ye wie so a ye de aduane apay wo so. 21st clinic afi bia no mo di sa adwuma we. Nyame nkoso insure 21st clinic. Na kai say omo sha ase no this is the 9th edition. Na kai say da be na adwuma di e be ba so. Saturday 1st November 2025 every 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. all 21st clinic branches. In the 21st clinic branches are memu henyina no. Munkai say 1st November 2025 a free treatment ne enyanka na say dwumadi ekwa ma omo. Na me pacho hyenso kunafo ne ewisia ne enyanka titu woni a wonu mfie no enyendu efie edu otwe mpo no mfie no edu ontwe a wo so ka ho bi na adwumadi ebekoso all the branches of 21st clinic me ba time no ayam nhye no so na mundi so 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. na number bia obetimi afresh so in case you want to be a part of this Widows Mitre every 21st clinic for catch can numbers have a phrase so 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Yacht toothpaste, yacht toothbrush, ebusia. Ha! Apostle papa ni brush papa. I don't some can ebebe jumedi so. Na sakai say kasa natural mineral water insure krojen. So person no insure devoid of pollution me pacho kasa natural mineral water. Makacho dada say third grade filters no mudi ejuma. So say asane. So na time herbal mixture. Baby obiado. So when ya ebeka wasama ma. Ene ebeka wasama ma. Ene enyumako ahodo abeto dwana na say achechefo a onkyere nkra de from KG to sa editete omo edikire omo ade na menim say me ochecheni this L1 policy has been there for so long a time. I don't know per your association no why monitoring who say achechefo no titu no omo mfa yen nkasa say dagare kasa say igbe kasa say angona kasa say mampurusi kasa omo de kire nkra de why san hwehwemu na hu
na was nan san chew tifu na men kase so de odika kai no enye ade foforo policy from the 90s early 2000 yibinya ye fano nala na from KG1 to class 3 as a follow of percentage or the 60% of the local language radio now 40% na kalo or they are summarizing in English. Now that policy no say na foreign countries na support you. It is bra one more agent was be. Secondly, on say that be a teacher for no college of education university no. Language in offer language which is and the master. Colleges of education can be what trends ma. Eti the daily say ye policy no na ye pay ho e declare policies. But ye clear what say and ye detail analysis. I just say ye the first three fa including colleges of education no. And ya simple and I say going forward no you better me as I say language barriers on no ye yet to go now ma you the right people on which nya bua and L1 na ye kan so no and yes be from KG to secondary school ye kan and the foundation na ye the early grades no from KG1 to class 3 If class 4 and then class we don't encourage people to use the L1. But as I said, the foundation year from KG1 to class 3 now. What build the foundation? No, what we do want to see.
But when you know, one can say implementation is a problem because right from the colleges of education, postings now, because I remember me angry and I call Wesley College, and in our time no now was some true Asante tree, and Mission Asante tree, and I'm a Troy. But you postal me call a Trobodom RCJHS no. Not no. Now mean to me fanch radie because now me lower primary. It was difficult for me. And exactly when you and exactly
I would say as soon as say Usia be a coach of Musofe. And as soon as say what the in your real life? Because Kina is Shani Chro and Sofeno. I know they can work daily life move.
And then no crepa.
I know you share what I can be. It's a cheap local language. When you're or native. Like I saw me Asantini, Makosia, Ga. It's my party guy. What's a party policy? I'll say a year American policy. That compulsory when you can. All the Nagaruano schools from everyone with teachers. I see a tree of washing. Let's say the next 5-10 years or no. Yeah, especially if it do 10 years or no. Come on. But you can't declare an accent and have the results within the same day. That one there.
Okay. All right. No, possible, dear. So, would you advise the Ministry of Education, trickling down to the Ghana Education Service, looking at this policy, Anna?
Oh, and not necessarily said that you'll be free. I would say, anybody one more, Malenga. You know, say, yeah, placement now. Yanka say, they will be prepared, but at least, SOMPA. Teachers 10. I don't know SOMPA. Radio. I won't cry. At least, my mobile is here, and I'm more young for. Not a 9 I can. So we are put out, they will help. The others are with me. But the situation whereby a whole school. Obviously, make a local language in school.
The
whole school. I can move away. I can school over. Because the one the best of that thing.
It is true.
But I'll say, you make us at least. People that 3-4 you over. We are not saying 100% in crime, but at least 4-3 beer. That's
but so should it be a policy that a year KG to primary 3 in some way I minister the about to Dre a church for natives no more handle those particular and the schools in their communities Anna.
Exactly. And we should make us say also and you can say and they compulsory and they are compulsory one class of culture. It's no policy in the back. Then you give it a period. Oh, they say yeah, catch them say the next 5 years we should be able to get every qualified teacher. Our KG was class 3. Our class and one class from Martini.
So you think this policy the ministry no, you think that as a almost rational policy now?
That's the I said the policy, a declaration
a declaration, but from declaration to policy.
Also, I did permission from President we declare that I require compulsory. That is not policy. It's a declaration.
Because the policy has already been there. So it's not declaring.
Exactly. But they know home code, they say, I told you.
Policy that are not to assume.
That time, not college, training college. But the Siano, a tertiary. 12. 18, and I said, Amuko school is year 9. At the Woko college, don't say language, Obia Qua, first year, name why you. After first year, no, only language, Namasa, yes, language. What?
So would you say a declaration here, Deputy Minister for Education, Dr. Clement Apaka, a needless, Anna?
And you're needless, and Apaka gone, how do I how do I do today? Sector Minister, yeah, back. And you're needless, but the only advice they say, they should push for its proper lay down rules and roadmap.
They shouldn't rush it, eh?
Debbie. Now they say, how rush here? Debbie, I only have it ready. All cats are a crowd.
Wait, dear, Mamma can be big a grant now. We were Wesley College. There's a teaching practice. Now, you're the Marco 2 band to myself in Coach Radio. And you know, do Cabiane Baco Cabia. Now, do Cabiane Baco Cabiano. And also, you were a giant swarm. And you know, if you go a giant, and I'm going to do Cabiano. Me go can I'm saying nyan and I said then nyan and
guys.
Oh, Ghana, there, where you better was a pa, but Harry Idris was a cast and be said, and Kodana won't go school, no, and your beauty contest, no, Mukwakoye, or Damum, heads of schools, no, I ain't sure, say. Discipline, because so schools want to know. Say, oh, yeah, now why you would know the best school? My guy, I was saying it, what they call Archibald School. Who can say Ankomono?
Me kinda, I can't win for the hand in person. Yeah, but you know, MPP and this is way because some of the over here on my level.
Hey,
Minia, if you have to know who, you may be our the final rules of engagement. Share radio out to see. Me this area over for Fuendia. All top of phone and a basic serious woody.
Debbie.
So it means that school now, Nippon Econo. Share even law school. I'm out for we. So now we are here. When I wear wine, roof of engagement, this is a whole law school, Hona, Makola Hona. One, over set at idea black and white. Issue, the one.
No crepa.
SOMPA FM.
What you said to Fukuanoa, and 24, 1 year ago, and 24, no, what you said to her, you,
Hey,
yes, Anna, so over Soja. Soja for rules and engagement, they say. We are over Soja. Now you're enlistment. Now we are bar. Now I'm pie was you are disqualified. And I'm So, tattoo, you are disqualified. So, every institution and organization has their own rules of engagement. If you cannot abide by the rules of engagement, then you back off. That is also, you have a code of conduct. Code of conduct says a student shall dress decently to school. And every student shall train on academic work and go on. Yet it is Subino. I'm 1 year, 1 free home. Aquadano on the right. But the same constitution now, you did not so no. Article 40, 1 in the say. Nobody shall deprive any person of a certain liberty with the substance of the following under the permission of the law. When somebody is below the age of 18, that's nipa no you are a minor or right no somebody can control it for you the minister no money be
so would you then say boni bi anim ya jatumo so would you then say there esi ebrebi atwa mu a branch and the my guy e dey asem ko asem de bia odi bema or the bar school more wie no would you then say judge no pay particular attention to the code of conduct of Achimota school then
many can say judge not pay particular attention che judge no wo no ono a factor both parties presented and we just dibu atenya da
SOMPA FM
ye nim judge kura okojire mu ana lawyer kura okojire mu e ma Achimota school bon kura ma Achimota kada mu poro ba mo ye because matter share a band of here and Manano does not look for the truth and Manano is looking for the fact it's in that because we could deal on your lawyer you're correct between charging no what
sure
so for the fact that the point of view could just say and you're the cool pano on the cool but the lawyer no very superior
but in this case but President in this case we are told that the constitution is supreme. And you know, when we have the constitution that's against a code of conduct for a particular institution, that's somebody could do some DBA. You don't think the judge there will be looking at what's enshrined in the constitution rather?
Oh, the same constitution I'm referring to Article 14. Say, those that are minor, below the age of 18, their personal liberty is subject to control. And then they can say, ye jai obia ne pamanoa unu se Ghana ya osumo ha omo jabawa
no correct
it is a tiny pano emma aka say yes so who are you yen sempaboa how will you feel mother how will you feel
very 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 bad
it's no sabe I'm not no but mommy you so common sense no ever tete enkola no
mrano ho yen use common sense and fantete enkola no.
Oh, na many are all sabi bre wa femu mo frati brem and ne ho mo be obedu wo mo frati brem school awo ko ye kwa e paso do paso and ne be obedu
no correct
and maba social media no you know na o di atem na o matter is that what you want to say
as the moral fabric of our society, you know, the decadence, you know, I say, yeah, I say.
It's who the case says the way on the right, Master, yes, I know. Now, in 3 months, yes, future leaders, and yes, woman. Yet, they are not running for one. Young Brasso, but in whatever way, I know. I would say because of their right, we should live there like that. I remember Sauno, Obi, not someone Champabua, a sinner, or a case of Champabua. What will you say?
Answer Nebejami, you know. And oh dear, I can testify because. Now I'm the former regional PRO for Bruno East region.
Yeah, Fuaso. And you man no and select the school out the only one. It's not say and for my name. Who could define you Biba and I could report Biba? Massa, minimum 7 years, maximum 25 years. Sabi, you tell Abranano. Who out tonight, you tell Calco. Like I look to Fiat. And so that act there, as a union, will condemn it outright. And we don't encourage any teacher to involve him or herself in such barbaric act.
All right, Reverend Isaac Owusu, my info and competency, but personally, I'll visit you at your office and have a conversation with you. Why? I'm sure. Why? Okay, that's fine. Reverend Isaac Owusu, the national president. Ghana National Association of Teachers and artists no ADA and Komo. But Mamma, I guess, Aquaba. That Obise Abuchi, so okay, say, Oma, who guess Aquaba. Almost me kind of girls Aquaba. I just mean kind of girls Aquaba. My guess Aquaba. That the other kind Roger T.D. Wells, let's say.
Okay, baby, Yango Poadumo.
Okay, then.
The goddamn motherfucking Richard nigga.
Ah, now then I can't see here.
Hype. The more hype.
Debbie, Pastor, hype.
I say, me more hype.
Debbie, who you see the F word?
No.
You use the No, you use that.
Goddamn.
No,
AYPD.
No.
Like LAD. Like, you got it. You got it.
No, so they go because it's a fucking.
No. I said the goddamn.
Oh, yo. Wow. Now, in this, what to say?
Oh, Oba de Nyamia Dom. And this is Eboko. Mami fa kwenye so.
Yeah.
Abochi.
Yes.
Abochi na o si agbeni.
Now him.
Oh, but and the BA now kwe no abese BA ni pa. Hu yeah, Bono we no.
Bono Ashanti,
Ashanti.
Ebi mu krasa me kramofo. No, ebi mu krasa me kramoni.
Me krasa so sa say me not na.
No, but we are all Ghanaians.
Yeah, we are all Ghanaians. Me brain na catch me say me not na.
Well, I keke na fere Hausa ni. Baka fere Hausa. Roger Vedas, mami ko. Basa ba onche, mami ba David Victor Dankwa, Victor what you saying?
Oh, about the other Roma, me hu ye.
Oh, you look so nice.
Thank you very much.
So handsome.
Thank you.
We anka ochra de osu anka nkoda no be how brutal.
Oh, my child da.
Oh, sir.
My child da but a private as a private teacher.
As a private
not as a trained teacher.
As a trained teacher,
But I know especially which preparatory GSS anyway, I know the temptation.
The temptation is
there. You know, in a classroom crash idea akola boni bit me betina wonim pe on share underwear. Na oti ho wa share bie ni nempa na so o ti ade no so boa. Just tempting you. I know a lot of my friends fell for something like that. Yeah. I know how it is. Sometimes you know, and you'll be able to mission also. Was man. So that's it. They deliberately come with 10%. My private tuition. Oh, now temptation. No more about share that about fear. Especially when they see you are young, you have your own place. You know, you say normally. So those times we A levels. When na at the China. Yeah, they you university those times maybe I was single room be pabi na oshim now or said the OT now know about teacher say me pacho subject no mentias me pacho member no aba
and you be about horror sada
and I make you say yes. But it is self-control.
Self-control.
I don't know. Self-control. Ebimo minam fufoni bi wo ha.
Almost falling for it.
Yes, they couldn't control themselves.
Teacher ni ba ko bi me says abrebe says o hwe be Facebook a. Na me ni kira de o tu bodom RCJHS. Aye, they say wa ko share US. But who so say abuchi be mbu midin. Because he fell for it.
Yeah.
I'm an Ukrainian kopie mu bai. Yeah, edin sem bebre e bai, you know. But Dr. Baumia what to say?
Oh, Dr. Ekoye.
Sitting president.
Me patch please. No, please.
Abotchie.
Yeah, that's me. Doctor what to say?
Doctor no hu ye pa.
Na MPP muso e.
Oh, MPP muso say the wa wonim no yeah Democratic Party. Enti time no so a normally no yesa kunwa to a enuafo kra pre no ti ase enti no say omukọ rounds na omukọ bom ho kuro kire the delegates obia de ombeka ti sisi ame no ka say the Dr. Baumia on nambro ho aya chese Oka
Bontoa.
Yes,
can in SOMPA
and feedback so you're very good.
Feedback you're very good.
Yes.
Okay, so feedback you're very good. Yeah, we'll continue the conversation, but it's going to be right after this break.
All right.
Chimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuni, I'm a punning in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front a Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yet in Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nadia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa can't win now. Now, when in baby, and it count for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's Roberto Adie, can't who now say now.
21st Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magye no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st Clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no. Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ. Samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74. Samennom tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia. T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a. Wokɔ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to. T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu. Eto phone 050 162 8931 and 0246 073 498. FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom.
Wontumi nkyerɛ nea wo ba eni pɛkyɛ mu ana de obeda achi. Nanso ubitumi aboa na manenya pomodin free ne mofrase. Jamvita ye de milk papa bi. Ni Nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahodi a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin. Anyo impeni fosweni chopa. Ma wo bano apomodin free ne mofrase. Jamvita gumo hodo bebre. Jamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA agi edwadi yin krato yatum.
Ebusiafo yekwasaba makwaba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Exactly 5 after 4. Remember, so the number you be lines na to 0260. I beg your pardon. 196064 0260 be lines to my winner number be phrases so na ye ne wo edin komo ye ompanyimfo wo studio ha Roger TD Wells, member of the NDC National Communication Team, and of course yes also I have Victor Dankwaso Ewaha no MPP Nima part, but the one of the lead for the Baumia campaign. He is also here over the weekend. You know, Kennedy Akompreko Japan Okasa Bebre is being on the spotlight, and of course maybe your crowd Dr. Bamud Baumia Mokoya Abronye Ebejina stage so Okasa Emma Omukiana pa away away. Let's look at exactly the SC Abrantia na okachre abronye otia abronye no. Sa abrantia na ewie ye no be dinko. Bonti entie we embrace here.
You don't be a woman, I'm a man of the idea. You're a woman, you are 7,000 workers, you are factories with me. The more what is once in the air, and I reach in the air, what you mean, Nanipa or Assassin, Nippon is once, maybe Mutan. Your police station executive, I say something. And so, a woman. The police station executive, yes, I'm can you about me? Can you about me? About to be
Abuja for Sabre, Yabako Amasis Yana and Sejo, MPP activists now cast, Kadia Baumia, you know. Now, you know, Edding Kobo Navy live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. It's you know, Yakwa Amasis here. Now, Yene, a Sejo, that Yene Edding Kobo or German South. Yene the Bedikobo. Sejo, that's saying.
Nyamia Dumo boss.
Bibia Boko, our German South there.
Nyamia Dum Bibia Koso with German South.
Where you better was pa na me pacho boy nkomo wabra Dr. Mahmoud Baumia any original chairman eba ho abronye dem potin pa na see a yetiem etese obi ka say kan de Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be ye dem potin dey see na sasem no wo na kan ya na
Me da se ne akwanya me fa akwanya so atia watiefu nyina Afemna we desire said Dr. Baumia EDP in the German South. Na problem no. Very duty the cancer. I bring on Kanya Dr. Baumia the Chinazi. Who desire me and I'm a Kanya. Never no credit. I am an Kanya.
I want to cast some not into our cast as some no.
The patron in the cast as some say. Honorable Kennedy, a contract with Japan, the kind of approval about German South. Oba, you know, yeah, we be and our kind. You are delegates, and so now Montuava Manor, and our kind. Oba, yes, we be whom at the idea and German South. If you also remind or bra, a Pensiaka cra, a course of St. Mary's Hospital. You do not hold. Support 30 days at the St. Mary's Hospital. Indeed, you can say, Honorable Canada, compact with Japan, the campaign, so to near the campaign very simple or briar for Tono. Indeed, I can say, Dr. Baumia, so Beba, no, so then the campaign and not an initial Beba, now at the Baba. Indeed, now your platform be your honor. Dr. Baumia, Ekitafo, Omoan Casadia to Honorable Ken, Abbey campaigner, said you in near the NGBR than in Intina Union answer, special Dr. Baumia and the campaign team, so the banner, Monsignor, Manaya said. Inti, important and this is ensure the power and family kind of. In the answer of Dr. Baumia, the Catano never said, Nekita for any can ekasa. Ena abronye aoye bono regional chairman na kwenya se there was a okasa na okanya Dr. Baumia bi
SOMPA FM
ena na ostati ya okasa no nsem na oka no na nyensem a e dia asumdie beba ewo NPP party mu nsem no nyensem a after primaries no e bi tinu akan ya abu ena na ekoye penchen kakra ewo akire etina Dr. Baumia supporters no na omo edi abubu kakra ewo akiro se oh ye campaign die abronya de se no ndi omo na Dr. Baumia supporters na omo akire no omo na omo sha asie enimi omo ho kakra se tani abronya di omo campaign na ekono de embo awo because o hwe German South omo hwe o policy na omo de gina so ato aba na enye adutiabo ndi sene na abronya o kono de Ubi also NPP party bia no na we say o kasem na o kire say daddy eno emfaso biema eno 2028 engi my ne power inti on kan ya Dr. Baumia bi tini ayede aye nti ba cha okay sa asem na nti a me kan say on kan ya Dr. Baumia bi tini aye no say na nsem na o kan no na engi fa asum biema
ebi no kan say wo no o support aye Kennedy akompre kwa Japan na wohwe nsem a na wo kana na isa ekutia no e abom the senti na kan ye enye because of say nsem na wo kana na ono an nkrofo no nwinwi nti na wo kan sa because of the fact say wo na support Kent na de na abronye na ye wehi ene ma wo kan sa
ni amedawase o hwe video na Ubichini who said enye voice ba kona na oye didi ewo ho ena video no so kra na echi ba kona na omupie no so bi enye ne na me kan so omupie inja Dr. Baumia ewo ho ho no mo omo ana omo decide say omo ye den omupie enti abatu aye koto de oye den aye ni na aye nko ba bi ba ko but ensem na abronye kanon so no obia de nse enon so mfa asonje nyeden emba obia obeka no support team tia me ka ta bia no ono de nse e dia campaign na ko se uda man south no ombo Dr. Baumia omo campaign ema Dr. Baumia no if you say 2023 elections na e ko no Senate DT Dr. Baumia 94 votes with Aman South. And before Obabata Obete Okano, there was out the message
SOMPA FM.
Now the Baba. Into now the boy could be now be the Atama. Nipana or Cotton, one of whom engineer for a Kutiana Tendianunco. And Dr. Baumia supporters, or one Casa Efra Mumpa informed me say, Daman South again, you meet ana abronye oyeno enti onkwetia na nanso na unya indi te ohwe video na debe kakra ba ho but sorry to say this abronye na dua mo na fast mana hu say asem na oka no na delegate no omo ani gwa na mum onso kan ndu ya na oka chobu na still ana dede wo ho na oto aso enti obi kan say no support time nti a ye ko yesa enyame nko ana me yesa even omupie no me na me wo akira na ni video ejien fa afo na omupie no
okay I'm say odin chiremu no aboyenye pa but there is one thing I want to ask you because Abronye is the regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party Ewo Bono region and we have also heard from the General Secretary of the party say Adia was a regional secretary bia regional chairman bia no was a candidates in the bar omubesi no so anya bia no kan bedu eye Bono region no Abronye edi nanim edi ne ko round ana
Pacho Kennedy baye obia enhu chairman Abronye as regional chairman ewo.
Now, other regional executives in the no mudi echire.
The pacho, the campaign team ewo Bono region, and I who say or more year more ni. It is say honorable former MP for German North, Jack Stevens.
No, I am Mebo. I am talking about the regional executives. Regional executives na party na to abayi amosomunda party na no. Omumu bia endi Kennedy Japan echi wabra oba Bono region.
The party will be ending echi amba German South.
But Dr. Mahmoud Baumia badie omu nyina edi echire bai.
Na de Abronye kini edi echire bai etanya akukudru ebeje mind ekasa ye se yentu aba enfama Dr. Baumia echire ni ntia sabi yentu aba enfama Dr. Baumia. But in mu no ena na ankoye se monhwe mu so emfa nto aba ma Dr. Baumia na mum ekodane koye se asimasi na otie enti na monto aba emfa ma Dr. Baumia.
Okay, and you know after say omo call ye no then nkomo ben na mumu na mudi no echiri
na daso na pachonia esi ye de you say obi ganyan wu no bi nkwan mu ayede enti after the program you will say I'm Kennedy I compare quite Japan supporters no more any ajipa you say second thing we am there by the any afidie you become keep ha na Dr. Baumia supporters so no more so jakakala say Abronye abese omo party no na eye omo wan say omo ma Abronye pan mano etini ekasaye enti adia ba ko a nanka omo no etini etina so ede akasa kakra no say 2023 Dr. Baumia ever share boss German South AC Party office. Or best support 1,000 bucks of cement. You share any more amba Utinicorine. Your elections 2024. Your King Dr. Baumia Lintino Amba. It's an annual incident in the year. Now, Ubi PR or Mopa Chelsea say, delegates in PR at the year in Guasiano, and I use a Penida or a corporate show Dr. Baumia. How can say, and year on 4,000 bars of cement, and under that, German South delegates. Into Dr. Baumia can tell you, a whole platform, Nassoa, and a more call cam, no, 100,000. Say, you cement or share about 2020 terreno, to see that or the other. If you announce that you're pinching after the program, and yet, the Sukoko on a German South for a watch the war. Because said you own far your promise and now or promise the German South on Ember. It is I don't know so crana or said you Penia or Biano, they chat yes, Dr. Baumia, the German South for
SOMPA FM.
There was about 2020 terrain. Now 2025. Assembly of Nancy. A honor or this Canadian ever. In this said, Dr. Baumia, that with me can say, Dr. Baumia, I supported 1,000 bars of cement and fancy work the office. But over can't ask them naturally said you a crana. Or the who say incident to here and see Dr. Baumia and fat cement in number.
Okay. You better want to say, but sir, when you kwenye biusa mo call a year regional elections to elect a year of party, a ma that party na no ewo the Buno regional. Abronye mubasa to Abama na muhune saying.
That's it. You as Bono regional chairman. Said you to my mufo or Mundi first school down in Freeho. Ya can say, Nditini, I could president to Mamwaya dear, but ye more so was the entire pine after. Oh, yeah, regional chairman. Yeah, Ebama, Obia, who said, oh, yeah, Juman said, you see, elementary seat, ever region, Ubitini, Abahom buying, now Ubitini, and your boots, that you are my pretty cry or joining. The patrol, I brought you by and on that Bono region, there were 11 seats. 11 seats, now one turn and not a NDC to over. I brought your share, 2020, you got to about a car 6. 11, at the car 6. 2024, from 6. As I saw at the other car 1. As I want no German South of 4. And I echo ye, it immediately 1 seat, Emma Bono region. Now, vote difference and a crana, not a check for 8 year the 11 seat Gamma, not to say what in the attic came every soir. Your answer the party insurance at the attorney, the negative. If you also abroad your performance, they are. Now, I don't think they or covered in part, I was so qualified. I was your meeting so. Now, you say abroad your performance, and we. If the Mina Quenya Senate to Abandi, and I say abroad the Genasa or pay regional chairman. You're the Juma Wire, so now
SOMPA FM.
The Juma Wire, so they are. Now, and what I abroad meeting Yazim, no Korase or Kofa forms. As Bono regional chairman.
Sajo, my now say na Yama Musa Uma Hukama Yenwoodin Komo. Oh, for God and country, so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. We wish you all the best. Why?
Okay, boss.
All right, that's fine.
Amegane Amegashia, ni hu Amega Hoho. Ena Kwabla, ne Kwabena Shia, eni hu Kwabena Dumpo, Kwabena Bo, Mitie Kwabena Abotchie.
All right, Maminko, a year. Minua Dinocratic Sencra refeeding Debbie me my horses here me my horses here I'm go Victor's
normally go Captain Biko dey easy go Captain Biko
oh Captain Biko wuni oh Captain Biko Captain B complex okay so what you come on ye this here
yes
and they see what German South what would you say generally your overview?
Oh well, politics. My politics nache. My leading campaigns. My man kofo winning MPs. My man kofo so winning regional elections ni and I know how the dynamics is. You will be no more. And you know go area man kofo bi. And then kofo bi su no more. Candidate bi no more. Omu ni omo ho agro. Oh, and we tactician who call some areas bia. And so also
strategic.
Yes, very strategic.
Sure.
No, because at the end of the day, you want to win more hearts. Politics is about winning hearts. So they are here because say and you winning hearts anka abai bimba because ebia last election, you know. Went to win you be heart, but this election, you know, maybe the way why you on no, what me win Oma to amount, maybe about to amount. And you know, I think it's Abronya's approach was not the best in German South, particularly knowing say the last election, Dr. Baumia Lusu by 94 votes. And what we should have done more is to persuade the delegates to vote for Dr. Baumia and say more because Dr. Baumia were a lot of positives, a lot of things are a common than attacking opponents. So they are here. Dr. Baumia who someone what do you mean can we? And someone Dr. Baumia a bit more convinced to a man no. It's far. He said, "Owako waste your time." I can't obedient. So they say, "Okay, so Dr. Baumia, the whole day crown can we?" Look, Dr. Baumia, German South. You can tell German South people say, "Hey, Dr. Baumia, or tenants who the name call wronger, ema party no nipa be complaining say you did jaw money ade." And you know, oba osi obey 10 appointments. Every constituency biano. Obefa nipa 10 ewo na abemu odiase and this will include maybe board members ministers, deputy ministers, CEOs, and you know, or chair. Look, in the previous government ube nipa back or a board chairman, or say a board member or another or say MP or sign or committee or no okra portfolios by say 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. No obisu or wa brew party no pa no nya onya hwe
sasa message na Kennedy edinamo
very good and Dr. Baumia no message na Kennedy dinamo no ontime ma any tangible policy initiative bia like obe convince me say oba ono be different thing.
Okay, so before I obe koso no na my me say Abronye uhunu sen elma Dr. Baumia campaign.
So catch me when you say well or no so
they obo
we meet me can I who say me no I'm in Greater Accra.
No, you are in Greater Accra.
Greater Accra no, we have a task of securing Greater Accra for Dr. Baumia, led by the regional chairman Divine Agohum. Your team, Greater Accra team. Your committee na your share ebia constituencies are very difficult for Dr. Baumia. Now you strategize it. And now you share so yet me and identify say when mo potting and ebia problems no in those constituencies. And who say ebia constituency A Dr. Baumia will problem. And big problem now Dr. Baumia one is because of assume senior. na ye yi san kofo na free that particular constituency.
Yeah.
Don't go there. Na ye di nipa bi a omonim onyama a omukọ ho no ma nkofo no betie om ne de omakọ because strategy ayeso yafa. Because we want to win Greater Accra for Dr. Bawumia.
Right.
So they are saying. Now, Abronya is not in Greater Accra.
Okay, but Yanfani say he's not in Greater Accra. Yes. What if said Dr. Bawumia occurrence now? Would you agree?
No, you see, Dr. Bawumia campaign, national team, Abronya nkaho.
Abronya nkaho.
Dabi.
But oja pepa so obedi mo chia mo bepene.
Dabi, and I make sure say national team na Abronya nkaho, but ebia region ne bunu region because regional teams na yati and I mean say me a member of the regional team.
Am we happy with the conduct as a party and as Bawumia camp? Are you happy with his conduct?
Yeah. I was maybe I crime na me team members need be discussing say Abronya should tone down in some of the things now. Oh yeah, you know politics there. Ultimate conjina platforms were unjabu opponent. Otiasie. Me Kaipa 2023. I was leading somebody in the parliamentary elections, and I call electoral rabi. Me Kasano. There was obiso no ti hono mo. One me. Candidate. They see they are.
They see.
2023. I will be constituency. Otiasie. But me okay you know I risk pride was say me and my beja na me kasa say untimi nti asore na ko yes that's what I told that person say uhwe na unti akọ
enti omutuma
at the end of the day no my candidate didn't win.
Your candidate didn't win?
No, he didn't win.
So it was because of your conduct?
No, I wouldn't say so because the dynamics of the constituency different. Vote or pull it was impressive. Only I say because only Obiti say Greater Accra Regional Minister call elections are.
I can understand.
You can understand the dynamics.
I can understand.
You can understand the dynamics. And you know, and I make sure say, and that me my experience be that. Sometimes one or two or three people be. And you're happy with what you are saying, and then they will react in such a manner and portray say the entire delegates na day. Yes, sir.
Okay, so given the opportunity, sir, you have two signs, plus or minus, or plus and minus. Then I ask you to take one, Nafa touch Abronye, and its effect on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's campaigner. Would you go for plus or a minus?
For me, it's neutral.
I'm saying that ceteris paribus, all things being equal.
Yes, it's neutral.
I'm saying that all things being equal.
All things being equal.
Ceteris paribus. It's an economic term.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that there are only two signs.
Yes.
Without these two signs, you can't choose from any.
And I mean,
is it a plus or minus?
I mean, I won't sit here and judge Abronye.
All right.
Also on the style of politics.
All right. And you're happy with it?
I'm not. No, it's not about me being happy.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is happy with it.
It's not about Dr. Bawumia being happy. They are a group of people who support. And also a 3 vote will be back. What do you say? I don't know, but I am politics.
Okay.
Because Udim say, me lead the communications in Greater Accra.
Oh, okay.
A number of publications are ma banta Kenny Bryan attacks on Dr. Bawumia. What do I say? They have attacked Dr. Bawumia several occasions on their tour.
But this time around, Brian, I've seen Brian sometimes being hard.
No, it is a Yakanta. Okay, you have responded.
Okay.
And now they have seen say, they buy empty. Because Oba Kantana de Mauno, we give you a superior argument. What do you say?
Just like the one Abronya does.
Abronya does what?
The country now.
Dabi Abronya has a personal with Obi. I don't know. It's not Dr. Bawumia's campaign.
But that is a perception out there.
But it's not. Yes, and we are letting them know. Say, Abronya no Oyenipenyi. Otia say, Obekai say, when Professor Mills or campaigning before the 2008 elections, obeti say Dr. Tony Edu ebe yi comment bi NDD President Kufuor term ni ayema ama 4 years say Professor Mills Emra Abontin the apology. Oh no, Professor Mills onye. Because Tony Edu a man of his own. So okay there na enya. We must hold him responsible.
And you know, I don't know. I'll come back to you, but there's a follow up. Roger, what is saying?
Abochi, what the other Roma?
Bibi aboko there.
Amianu bibi aboko.
Sure.
Abochi, lawyer Froda.
Lawyer Fremeda. Oh yeah, Magina court da.
Hey, Magina court.
Sure.
Okay.
But I was on a positive note.
Okay, and Udimi Wagra.
Hey, Roger T.D. Wells. On the subject discussing.
Yeah, about you on this subject. Before I may share, Mamintia, the Ebu president of the land. Nanga me pese me president in the first because I'm not a first citizen. But in Penny say Penny Gary we announce you asa. Into no Mamintia president in the second name be anyone more ebium. And I'm NDC people in government. What I say? Mamintia president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Obuejuma ama Ghana afanintuma pa aiden Efra na minsa entia na bedechi the first female who rises to this status in Ghana's political history. What I say, apart from the first female who had bedani a party's chairman, vice chairman, the late Nana Konedu Ajiman Rollins. What I say? Now Mr. Entia party mumpenifoni na ni ministers aya pa mo say omumbuejuma ma Oman Ghana yɛmfa ne ntuma pa infra we hear time na Oman Ghana yɛmfa ne ntuma pa infra na mintia de do Oman no Honorable Julius Debra chief of staff for proper coordination, making sure say every sector is working hand in hand to make Ghana a better place. Na misanchia me papa no they are Hoy brothers. Na misanchia ye chairman general MP before nightmare general mosquito pejani nsase ya. But you say, Master, relax. I'm talking. Oh, Bigo. Yeah. Me starting upon our starting interjecting. Yeah, na me ntia your chairman general, Honorable Johnson Asiedu Inkatia. Na aboti. Unim. Ye din komo we ni na. Ose. Abronye ne approach no wrong. What I say? Now share the consistency of all their campaigns on way. The same approach. The same approach. Until today you have sat here on this platform and declare your approach not good. What Rendan is useless. Oh, me say, yes, me nyas say me
allow me, maybe no, I'm coming.
I am making myself. No, I said, Ose ni approach. I jotted it here. Chairman. Ose abronya approach. Yes, an okay.
Ose na approach na ire.
Approach na abronya yusu o ho no. Eno na enye. And I make
Ose. Abronye call German South.
Yes.
Yeah, no, nanken
na approach na good and me in school in logical reasoning. In logical reasoning. So
no, you can't tell me that we are illogical in this.
No, I'm saying in logical. I'm coming to explain why I'm saying that. I'm saying in logical reasoning, there is something we call deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Now, Abronya is part of Baumia's campaign team.
But what you're saying,
whether he likes it or yes, he has been following him. He speaks for Baumia. Now, it is I'm telling you that based on logical reasoning, inductive or deductive, I'm painting a picture here.
You don't know. You can only say by you are deducing. Nobody can say you are.
You hear from my lawyers.
Debut. Nobody can say you are just deducing.
And I'm saying by either inductive.
No, you can't induct. Or no, you can only.
I'm painting a picture.
No, you can only deduce. You can only deduce.
But will you keep quiet so that I paint my picture?
Oh. Are you okay? Paint the picture.
Okay,
it's
good.
With you.
So based on those logic, I'm saying that Abronye consistently has portrayed that character. Speaking for Baumia, that means what you have condemned consistently is flawed. What you say? It's they don't have a message, and that is the pattern they have told over a period of time. You ask him a question. Say, dear Abronye, what is his stand? What will he say about it? Or see, he can condemn or he can credit indirectly by the same logical inference. I am tempted or tempted to say, Abronye has become Sebio in the local language, Santrokofi.
What is I said you're saying? There is Santrokofi then.
Unim Abwa Santrokofi.
Why then?
Why and you cannot throw it away and also so I want to be keep it. Why does it? Iti Abronye Abedani Santrokofi in Baomia's campaign or in the MPP fraternity. Onwa yempe ono so antumi ye den entone nchene. Iti no ono kra ye Captain Biko kra witness say Abronye has become more bane to their campaign and MPP as a party than any good, because on to me weigh the good and then the bad. Now on Nangazangaza explaining no I say ono kra ko gina baby aye campaign Emma ngofone ka kire ni say onka dia obey rather instead of way. It is a clear indication say omo style of politics near one. It's a culture. And that is the culture they have been moving with. It's no, they don't preach message, but they preach attacks. That is based on deductive reasoning under the scope of logic. That is what he has painted. Now, I say, omo campaign na no. That place no wow kwa unim say baby on my no go area unim e na akọ e na mpenifo say okọ ekoye den okọ ekoye den. Now let me declare to you or let me let you know the true states of the MPP and Bawumia campaign affairs. The state may say MPP should know say they have to declare a state of emergency in their political party. And yes sir, the current
Debbie, gotcha. Roger.
Abochi.
I don't know where you are.
I am building. No, you can't interject. Punchline happen about.
Punchline, what punchline?
And I'm saying.
Punchline, what punchline?
On punchline.
That's what punchline.
I say.
Debut. They should declare state of emergency
in the MPP. Because there is a
state of emergency now.
But the man paper mamia, non taking note or come out discuss it training. Moment pen and paper, non taking note or qua no more discuss. Now, me say MPP right now. They have to declare a state of emergency in the MPP political party.
Reasons: one,
there is a political civil war in MPP. Two, it will lead to a genocide if they don't declare. It will lead to a genocide because he himself, Sisi Anwako Jira platform Suma Abo away. Kachira say the kind of message you are coming to communicate, it is wrong. It say what you can do. Okasa ni nanan pese oka ade bakwa. O say policy. O say o bo dia Kennedy Japan akoka. O say Kennedy Japan so about and no one can in a policy form. Put it in a policy form and let's see. Na kachira what Bawumia says he wants to do.
So I was going to say
make my case. Let me make my case. I mean, yes, I say me boost you.
Now self praise now.
No, me praise me. Babo me diwa ha. Maka me title wa. Me nka me title. Aboti.
Title cracker. Detect babe.
Who say Juma Ben?
Me say Juma man.
PhD na mako bobo na enyewe.
They order.
Oh no, Mobi. Okay.
The mako to no so na detect for me. Roger
Mama Eva laughed about Kukra film about it. Thank you. Lines one day. Man, temper and coolly. But say the MPP right now, especially the team of Bawumia, they have nothing to write home about. In fact, some more be here. Nanka omontinechi. Nanka omon stress yen school yomu through the process of having engagement with people. Nanka ebia nanka mako fast say don't get your videos. Nanka the way I engage party faithfuls grassroots no nyo mo kasa no nanka ma hwe.
No, but apart from Abronya Sabri
Now, no, I'll say a man away, our platform, so I'm San Lucia. One more basis of fragmental evidence. What you say? I brought you the crown, no, say I any be. And I'll be saying, say, oh, we need it. I'm out catching and sending the conduct. On the crack catcher or responder or the man in backrow. That's a politician and a strategic tactician. You give such a response to somebody and you think you will ever come into power. Me say, MPP power. Omo 5 delegates in and the cramati se bako why or say okotai kene Japan echi
bako ben
meti se bako why or say
what you need evidence
yes okay why yes let me still lay my case here
but you see form
Masama me can say and before pair 5 candidates for the first time in Ghana's political history. Me sanction so I'm to sue 1 flag bearer 4 running mates. The first time in Ghana's political history. MP before and for 1 flag bearer 4 running mates. Embra Abochi 20% Kromunya 20. The party in this state. Party and what Bogana from say. I wonder the kind of food that muscles to move around and still be campaigning. Policy, I will say 10 appointments. 10 appointments in one constituency. Is it a policy? Talk about something that will transform the human's life, the economic space. Let the people feel the vision, the passion. Maza, I went to come bomb small and America, I know. This is a civil war that is gradually becoming a canker.
Okay, so what you have just said, rumors suggest that Natoshi Ado, Sarah Adwa Sarfo, along with Tano North Constituency Secretary, have been rumored to have defected from Vice President Baumia's camp. These defections are speculated to have moved to the camp of someone named Kennedy Akompreko Ejepon, potentially strengthening his position within the new Patriotic Party.
Yes, it is alleged. Yes.
The candidate.
They say yes. We throw in the tower or say in a move Kennedy Japan. Check it. Coverage Japan.
It's not true.
Oh, Massa. Massa. When it's your time, you talk about as someone can say, Ghana na building MPP as a party right now. Omo yen chine kra o mayerem. Inti chairman ebe ya na nka ko pay you before card na ko reorientation. Na bi ombe ma wakwenya ma we di omo eti esua bibia because the tradition that omo claim say MPP no it is dead and gone.
All right, so thank you so much. SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And BBA Alliance Latum numbers to call 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Kai, Electroland Ghana Limited, the home of quality electronics. Ubenya TV, papa, say air condition, say a fridge, say a washing machine. Bombarding partner for Wedichure, Electroland Ghana Limited. Or more electronics type BFB, say NASCO, say Media, say Samsung, say TCL. Remember the name, it's Electroland Ghana Limited. I want a quality electronics. Electronics are very durable ones. Then you just something say, oh, now to electronics are Kai say Obama 15% discount. Natasha and Subi Mami say, baby, Obahu Electroland for the baby baby. Yamamu baby, Aropa more Obahuamo. Nitritu Udu and Ichre, a year Touchman Bia, our main Kumasi station, any backs or didn't share more Obahu Electroland Ghana Limited for Hosasana Kumasi. What do we need to Kasi Junction, Tech Junction, and more on crime. Adenta Barrier, Dantuman Runabout, Industrial Area, BRML Complex, and didn't share more Obahu Electroland Ghana Limited. Sunyani, Mankasim, Kepko, Stack Credit Tamale, a horse Obahuamo. You bet me a friend Electroland for I was 024594 9495 0245 949495 na Sakai bio say 21st clinic menomo ka say wabasi afibia no bekwa wie ya omo ye free treatment free consultation yabema wedro free yabema massage free ni asama weduane na mpacho wan and qualify say sa free treatment program here free 21st clinic o metimi akoho na kai say eye nipa komie no pe eye woni a womukunu eja omo womo womudikuna womo no metimi akọ eye sa adwumadi ase ana orphans omo ye nyanka me patcho so otime nkan na ewiye a na wonye ndi mfie ndu wotwe ana wadu mfie ndu wotwe and below a o qualify makachiro say free treatment ma omo be ma no ya be ma free consultation ya do be call lab free ni ya hwehwe oni pedua no free ya wi a ya ma wedro free ya wi so a ya sa massage enu echi no ya be ma weduane da ba na be ba so afi bia wo mo ya we the 9th one na kai Saturday 1st November 2025 time 7 a.m. to p.m. Our 21st clinic branches be across Ghana ha. Na mpacho juma you pass also beka ho ana pass o ye nhwehwemu ana o ye mfifimu bia 21st clinic there and now ya dey now tell me Ghana pass from no new din komo number be fresh so our screen so our Facebook na kai 0540 311 311 Nasakai said Medima for Herbal Center Dr. Time that's so doctor or you brutal kikim yadiasa or sada or bono homodimpa say you stroke usisi na ya hunam na ya bema junso yi ya afa no mum uji wanje ana say we oba bema onye sichire yade moja bruso wahra na obrebo amre anampo utemenka na we oba person fefro bema usuntimi nhye banyi nsenga Medima for Herbal Center Dr. Time that's so obeka wasama na sa hye no subio say typhoid ni malaria de alternate kra enkran ha o hwe na chi akwan a o de chi akwan e wo pokuase maira na wo kumase a agogo bia ne game school ni din hwe no mo Dr. Time that's so o say the Lord is our ultimate healer but your bombarding na friend was 0244 774282 again 0500 727215 Nasakai say Leicester Company Limited abomoding and the Yard's toothpaste and the Yard toothbrush abedwaman so I pause here come up what did you choose here fita enum kankan wo e free ho enum kro ekum enum kro me pa cho bomoding e na Kopen Leicester Company Limited fon sanwe djuma wo mo dia abedwaman so Yard's toothpaste Yard's toothbrush na pa cho wo nkran ha na hwe mo chi akwan a number obetimi afresh so obetimi tu bi aton wa 050 161 9588 wo kumasia 050 1390 338 that's a guy say Casa natural mineral water where is your way me bacho say one more filter is your way pa na ko hwe dwumaku a wo mo abomoden e di Casa natural mineral water bedwaman so nso ne nsu akonokona de Hi, filters, grade 1 filters. Nobody saw you so. And but all your party, all your wedding, all your year, bombarding say Casa natural mineral water. You were the old room and a sachet there or need na quality near pe. Now, Pachos, bombarding now Casa Loma Ventures. I won't cry her Taifa. Bia, our back hospital, no, I won't cry her. Mrs. Sudio Taifa and cry her. Bia wa back hospital nechi na person the Casa Loma Ventures in Koma 02064694430 again 0303965 Casa natural mineral water in Suwe come up Natasha Nsubiusa time herbal mixture. I've told you it's a prophylaxis aya hoban bo edro me pacho wanya malaria fever we no matter on timi de ojo ho anje hona mi na ya o ya me pacho time herbal mixture drugstore pharmacy shop be bound bia no ya de ahun sabeke bi bomoding na fret time for it was 02444 17669 me pacho ya hoban bo edro ade chia no pa bobi edro anwumre bobi we no matter on timi de enkotwa agba bomoding na kotwa time herbal mixture eno never come out media ma when you makwa wa so asere and yede jumedie for God and country bro bigo mind we
abochi ya ayi kwabna Mr. Frem kwabna ntini ma mfro kwabna politics campaign be anywhere young jabu opponent. So be also a politician, not so could jump political platform so ultimate and casting insinuation as a jabu opponent. And that's how you don't understand what the politics is from all over the world. It happens. Huh? President Kufuor, Rakasa na kuntaka chira de say Banchidada odi call Broni Anto Ayevan go biom. Enya sa. Onu kasa na kunta. They were competing for the same thing. In politics, you know, when you go on platform, you definitely talk about the opponent. Attack it and present your own candidate. Say they are nobody differently. It happens. I'm not saying say but what Abronya was saying, and then Abronya what Abronya all raising issues. So obviously we see factories. Obama Mujuma. Ono akasa the constituency no delegates or adwuma hin no de ama wo. Or raising legitimate issues. What you say? Enti you who na who your delegate to na betina se na we be say ho question say. Ampa nipa na or the constituency and 600 delegates na won the constituency ho no. Emu dodo say na ye adwuma wo ne ka factory na so we bie na or so afa thousands of people. Emu dodo say na ye adwuma wo ho. Enti obi pa no ka che me say me ba be bie adwuma de amamo a. How sure are you? How sure are you? Say I'm pastor about me a delegate or be a juma mami. Abronya was asking legitimate questions. Now, so that would be a legitimate question. Why then did a year 1 year or when you know buffet? And you more buffet, please. No. Obo we no. Oh, me bato Sarfo my voice is yes, boy voice no. Because I heard a few voices. Okay, so my young going to your voice. All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM, but a few people there who started raising it, and there be one or two people who are not happy with what you are saying. Okay, did Abronya and I make you say in some no can you know me as a politician, I find nothing wrong with what he was saying. As a politician, I don't know why. Or ask or be a legitimate question, and then say ye candidate you. Nasa ye call national elections, sir. Ye candidate to ye call national elections, sir. We will start attacking John Mahama and his government. And then John Mahama ye. Also I say we will raise it. I mean Buana. Sure. Of course, that's politics. Because manko raising issues about a year. Me to be present to be candidate as having the best alternative. What you say? Video our boy in anyway no. Abronya was asking legitimate questions. But Nina say, me ti hey. Yeah, campaign, Babia campaign, me ko ye campaign wo Abdulmanov. What you say? The message I met electoral areas in Nina. Delegates, Michelle, anya one say, but I went to the electoral areas to meet them. We will be home me kasa. Me observe the attitude of the people sitting down there, because I can read body language. What do you say? It me who said that me kasa me na me share on my faces in any year na me jai. What do you say? I mean, I just said the asana me kano ebia enyo ana me boa. But ebia na at that particular point in time, no, those people that they don't want that message. And to me as a person, when I'm talking, I'm looking at the body languages of the people sitting down there. Now me say asem na me kono, how are they accepting it?
In politics, we have what we call messaging and its effect on a particular audience.
Yes.
And you know, in this case, you know, Abronye, you share the message now carry at that particular time, you know. Any audience now could delete with them, so that there was a disconnect.
Well, of course, I didn't make catch you say. Abronye, Meno, one, the message itself, I don't say anything wrong, but no, we say, German South in the last elections, you know, did not vote for Baumia. So what I say, said the interview, you know, say Baumia lost by 94 votes in German South, and which means to say that particular constituency, you know, it's not for Baumia. And when you are going there, you must be very tactical. And you must look at your message.
And what I may say, plus or minus, what would you give to Abronye?
At that particular place.
Yes.
Make us say, well, one way.
So plus or minus.
Well, I can't say. I can't judge. I don't admit to be judging. But the message Abronye was given,
sure.
And the questions he was asking, I didn't see anything wrong with it.
All right, I mean, Roger T. Walls.
Yeah, Abotchie.
Yeah.
No,
before I read hold on. SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yet a yas toothpaste and a yas toothbrush a kabum. Yet a SOMPA OB Bass no Bremun this Friday. Fiada idea Nimiano. Yet a SOMPA OB Bass Bremo. Kaneshi. Kaneshi. A Jadifua Kaneshi market. Moi muti Kaneshi. A Benifua muti Kaneshi. Yenina Yababa Munchain. One banyaje. Waka SOMPA banyaje. Enti ye bamu ho. Muna zo urinku. Kunjiko. Muna zo urinku. Because SOMPA 106.5 FM. Studio Kata. Mikwe bona Kaneshi. Enti ne busha for mun shine ho. Friday we are 31st of October 2025. And yeba Friday one no pa 5 a.m. Ne landed that ne asese niema kasebo bang 6 a.m. news ne started kind ho Ghana today akosu agwo aboaje wa betra se na one more day Ghana today ejubedi no e di abramu ye wi oh my goodness Prophet Dr. Kofi Odro SOMPA first service. Ye nyamia SOMPA. Ye de bremo ewo ho ye wi a anti akosi agwa aboaje. Mo bro wasam. Oh. Sa program we die. Nsam wo mo bro we bi uni ho obo ha. Omuni obi obeka na asam amano. Enti ba to say you be so ebekos ba before them no. Na premotro be kase ebo no so na e di abrel. Na ye wi a for God and country. Make a blab which metana say. Mamunye humi dano. Me SOMPA na mamoje say. Fite. Na me sa so ye kokko kakra. And you know, many executive producer, senior bright, and Patrick, and Sarfo Kantanka, ye jina so ye bebe jumedi ase. Na mo share so say Friday 31st October 2025 from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now, 1 year after Jumedi Hukai, ya toothpaste, ya toothbrush, ya better pass time herbal mixture. Makachas and Hubambo Drew Kesepa, Bell Beverages, hey! Bella Kwana Chamino Autonomy, the Abbey Jamanso, 21st Clinic, and a multiple quest, and a Twisco Energy Food and Drink. Almost we are saying Kesepa. And then Pacho say, Opa said you made the Uber family home, and now pay. And she said, no, will be 8 year number of phrases. So 054 7548 538. SOMPA OB Bass. Yes, yeah, come if you want to go Katamanto. Roya, Mamintio.
Yeah, Bochi. Is it Miraho Ama, Ayo, Captain Biko?
Urenfi Miraho. But let it be on record, say, Kwabena Japan. onko jina baby anko can say
me say MPP ni an e kan ya na pa you know different platforms MPP ni an into there okay so onko jina ya
because
and I make just say me nam na metete
rumors
me nam na metete
they don't come with facts
me nam na metete master relax
nam na wotete de wotete no nya no correct
Minyan descendi one so.
Who descend?
O sheki Charlie manenum kasa non chele up on chele num na chele. Now listen to me.
Odum kasa na chele betra on chele.
Yeah, non chele. O say obi jabbing the opponent. Any objection. One kasa fasa two candidates Baumia. Nafa Kennedy Japan. Eto for mumie no gina ho one na we say Jabe who has held a highest political office in this country. How many people has Baumia employed in his own constituency when he was vice president? What transformation?
Roger. Roger.
Yes.
Roger. Say you support Ken over Baumia?
No, I am so I say Jabe. I am we are talking about conduct. Oh no, I'll be the question. Wait to me anyway.
Yanko.
Why is that say? Listen, I am arranging the work for him so that I will lay the platform so that he will put his container on it. Why is that say? Who say? Abronye first no in his first ambition or condemn say Abronye I then or this or share environment na sana wakokasa. In his second submission or support here.
What make you available the tips for me? All right. Submissions are I'm capture our heart, you know. Yeah, voice actually, but I don't want to go on that tangent. David, go in him.
The second submission, you know. Why they?
But it's here for a moment to Facebook war. Your Facebook was SOMPA 106.5 FM. They see a German South.
The second submission or support Abronye. And I make say Sanyamana or ye, no, Kofone say, among can't you bet me aye. Among but so feel say, oh, be yes, our comparison now. Nanka Baumia does not have any moral rights. And I say any basis of fragmental evidence. Say, obey Jina on Marca say, we cry in the constituency. When you say, because he has been vice president before. What did he do? Nothing. He has nothing to write home about.
Mobile money interoperability.
Hey, go and look for the. Wait. Mobile money interoperability is an initiative of John Dramani Mahama.
Were you able to do it?
Yes, we started it. Go and share. Oh, me see.
Who started?
Oh, man. Oh, I didn't. Make I just say. Okay. Abochi.
Roger, Yenesi for man.
Captain Biko. Oh, there to Bona. Oh,
Captain Biko.
Captain. Otto Edwana.
This one did Biko.
Now, Otto Edro.
Captain Biko.
Offer Captain Planet, Captain America. Biko dear. Because this year no yarebe mpa na Biko sa.
I've heard them now.
Debi me pese me ma onyati. Because
me ba cho ba me kwa ma no so.
Abochi, me la me fa no sia na obi aba ho ama no so.
Debi de lande.
Eti the American say MPP party na nkasa no and about Baumia team no they don't have any focus.
Wow.
Omo ni any moral locus to go that tangent because omo to me omo ye indecisive. Because I'm not gonna answer with me credit and I said discredit Abronye ni abysmal performance. A chair regional chair 1-5-11 way e dey back one. And can you say crap pose mo man di moji.
Mami na say na me kwa amaro so na be dey for think about 0260-196064 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Me ba jo wana me ne ka say.
Wa o dis akafia phobia ni o kantamanto.
Akafia wa ma ba cho yeti oi.
SOMPA FM.
No, they can ma me pa wa paso. Na me pa kunya kasi incoming Frank Bella, Dr. Brand, a champion. Obama to Frank MPP. Namintia Safia Mohammed, incoming woman organizer. Honorable Wati Edako, and also National Chairman, and I just take the house here, General Secretary. Block. Otemeka.
Me pa so bete on kapa.
Me pa o program na amount for 80, amount for tipa. Sebiano, Yadasle, NDC, program in Yabro, and Oba, the trap program, sir. What the MPP is the grow as a year, what the air contest party, no matter. MPP is the organization, MPP a party. I want you, almost giving more. Oh, Casasa, and your friend. One big and another man, the man, Mama, 2028, NDC, you make your money buying fuel because of my Benny Bayano. And you more than yet. What does it? Sure. About a Mocasa, a Bronya, and a fine could see in the other. I am great. Politics in the say, we can't, we are, and a long time, young I ever, when they are kind of woman. And you said, that's over a year. Now, Prof, audio. Let me say, who can say, and if I don't be any part we had to go here.
There are other videos, any audios or high, ye kind boy. I'm so wait. Me say your videos, ni audios, you or high, ye kind a boy. And Sunday said you made it. I said, yes, at time that was so in here.
Your boy says, here, me tell what you can
yo, but it.
Can be beat as a MPP, no, a job, and this is the same thing. Because the workers any part of what them. Nana, my friend, we are, I'm very crazy. She's not move on into you. I don't know what you are, not to be coming from for you. Not your mama,
yeah, oh, yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pass one of them, Cassie.
I don't money. Because I'm from Coveria.
I don't know if I'm covering that to say.
Yo, you may come with the attack. What's on pa? Mr. Biamusumi and Musumi and you may. Yamin
Amen.
Yes, SOMPA. Ghana Juma. Yo, the Jaka Menchiano Matthews, Champon, Monsomano. Also, Obedia Cognanoa, Obesia Ghana. I have a chance of the Cantambo. Messi and Cocawana Mabre. Mungo Festival, Meramunio, Naman, and Meraviwa. That's a Chris Lord. One on Bruno Brecumano. Also about you for Ghana. Said Obehunuki. And Haji Asafia Mohammed for National Woman. Yo, I'm the baby, I brought no Cornelia. Young as a year, and I have Brian. What you say? Ya Bura Ibaku. Ah, they didn't be any. And there will be any Abre, Eka Samoa, as Waka. And the messenger can say, I brought you at the Milkai. Everybody's open and drink over the agenda. And it's a who control that day. One candy about Mabea. What we track on the agenda? What do you say? What we track on the agenda? And to also anybody any day. Makasi hanging a poor back, what we come back. Ubianka do obey, fine. Nemo and Kazan Joe and more good here.
All right.
Bye bye.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Ajaba.
Yes, sir. I'm about to want to anything go away.
That's your bright today because I'm free Abusoka.
Now, Abusoka.
I'm not doing Abusoka here.
Yes, we only have some pahapa, yes, some. Enter the Kawasa de Yanko or Daroma.
Who's on my Ghana? There are my Ghana. Everything for now, my Nambia. Mushra, that which no one was what so that they are found. That as anything Mincha, courage.
Hey, and I saw they are bringing in Abachiao.
Boy, I saw them come out on one after we cried here, and yet, and this year. Bronya, come on, Bronya, Etia or mine. Now, all current and parenting of the money, mamma. And then, oh, I say, Bronya,
SOMPA FM.
To one come more. And fancy everything. Any party. Prepare me for that. And it's part of the press. Because you're calling your mouth or your money.
Say, court be anti me mebo be force where we are minor. We did the thing in our allegations.
Oh, my God, I'm good 80. Oh, yes, 90 minutes. And then I can for that, I can put it. And they are now back body.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
What am I in the castle? What am I patrioting you? Why?
That's it. Now, Shabbat Casse of a deputy Gua. I don't say. Yeah, oh, you're dead in your internet. For every time you the problem of this country, defending. I would get a house by everything. And also, put your third party of the very place. Class, I'm not the this is my city members. Or just some who go Afghanistan, baby. That's the problem of this country. Please come out of here. I tell you, unless I will follow politics in this country, don't come because of the Sarfo. The only kid that gets our independence. These people, they keep the just every day, vendor of a comfortable back. They're motorway. These people, you don't know them. The next problem is FPP. Who go out and come out some issue? Share people. They can do whatever they like. Do they like to themselves? We don't care. FPP 7 million. I can make come and to our Ghana. Because come did Ghana for fast so. Come did not go fast so. Ghana for 2 voice. I don't go for. I tell you. Come did Ghana fast so. Ghana for 2 voice. I don't go for. Eh? FPP. Oh my Ghana police. FPP. Ghana for.
And my members are so now utia na ye ka bronye ni conductor okoye ewo German South and na ye ka ho asem nkomoyi
na obia ye serious minded no be take about ye serious I think the father boy be regular chairman I tell you abroye need to be only FPP they can be regular chairman no my God.
My God, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Abuji.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasai.
Adric Sompa Kaswa.
Sompa FM.
Me pacho yama kwaba, wada ma etiu.
Me ke oso Abuji. You won't crack us at the Fanco Cantamantu. I want your moving home.
How do you move home? No, where I'm about you, Mialo.
No. Abuji.
Yes.
Show. Now, Kaza, I do a tapo. What safety for him?
Debbie, in casa, Obin a casa. No, be Kabi, and I may say, me, yes, set your neck and also. Baby, a tremor, almost to almost say. Na almost defect every bar me agwa ko di Kennedy echi and omoka say it is not entirely true. That's fine.
Okay. Na me nim so kan kan me here ni. But abronya asemu. Asema abronya time when you do be atemu. Or say utu we bi adwuma. Na wo go situation nko kwa nyi no amamu aduma wo we atemdi there be politics but planting no mo ye cooking say tani pa na we ni interview no be kata ye so the Canadian omo organize omo so omo nkonko ye o kai maybe omo ko thank you so ma ke ndu ko so
me kai pa
dia command go fika e man tokwa ni ade planting
and who say deliberate almost share ho no mo ye ho
aboji le tin wo ma bebre wo ho ye nam so a FPP lu su ye bawumia a wo mu kai no wo mu ye campaign against you and wo ma start no planting aboji ensem wo ho ani pa be kan but
okay, and my maybe say with the MPP, no said yeah, womu agina brand tiero candidate be number the bank ebe bo mo pa.
Candidate o mo de ba ebe bo.
Aye.
Ba onia no mo de ba ebe bo.
Me da se ba so hello, good evening.
Open nka se me wajo.
Me joso, da ba wana me ne ka sai.
Wa onia asori be ni kwa bukuru wa de she.
Yeah, asori ba wada man patrol ti why.
Eddie can remember Minchia incoming MPP flag bearer, Dr. Brown, a champion. If you are a MPP, they did them. Na boy be a very mabura, and Yamasa walk of who have been taken and Nang Sabia Semna. The Bani Kabinami Kabian Candy for one. Minchia incoming national. Yamin young coupon said me. Sorry, but on my 85 years, let me go to 4 radios. Me German Kwalan because I need you all bar. But the Nakuman in the Yemen, I saw 85, none in me to every president, nowhere near the enemy. Or Kasa to train. Sorry, oh, Casanchi. Ah, eh, not a won't be. Mr. Courtin, some of the time, ye. Who is an age and Quadiac? Maybe, emphasize him. Why, Mr. Okay, maybe. I had my chance. I go. Good day. I had my chance. I'm talking about opening. May Cassim be. Social media, Abema NDC contest, MPP contest, I have for winning. Abe, Yura, you can't remember. Neither that Lawrence, Yamin Fanny Crency, Nayere, Manan, and Yamiaton Supreme. A year, a walk contest or near Tamos. Sonka game. Senanka, social media doors, and could be other candidates departing Ebu. Yana then the lack of man can't fight Doma near Tamos. But may Kadia say. Ningano addition the my young MP before because social memoir your mom Kuni Mahama not a mining and then another 8 months, 9 months, no into Mr. Your mom Kuni Mahama under 9 months in office. Dear plan so never again and coordinate. So I do a mining go to answer for me. Na so be betimi aka no say o buy no ade Ghana for betimi dey aka ni say dollar no be o dey aba begina no say I say wa bono homoden opani edi ka me that one kata me bu ani dia you mu ani dia at the 20 and Ghana for any doubt so that paying now the dollar for that Ghana opani me ba so we be the film market ka wasem ne yenko oi obi gina chiri me SOMPA FM na me kase me kire say for manye ne dollar apa form for manye ne fuwe na baby na aduane bo eda so wo soro e kire amamu papa. All right, mami nasi hello, good evening. Good evening, Abochi. Yeah, me ba chon wana me ne kase yi ba chon uni be Maxwell German South Robo. Oh, Maxwell, German South, eh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Boy, come on, Maxwell. Yeah, that's the Abochi ne akwanya wo dia ma me make sure na ma chie watie for. Just and say try to man away and there. Put them fua. You have no competitor. Thank you so much. Because programs no sabi obi ntimi medi nsem for ho na nya no. I mean, you are very disciplined generator and say I recommend you for a higher position. Thank you very much for the compliments. Yeah. Me da si bebre. Hwe. Sa da kama ye rabo mi aba na me wo obi. Odi ama afrat one ntra ho no omo keka de e omo de. Say nipa bi edu bi na ye dede. Adia it took say Chairman Sabosu intervention. He has to go there and plead and sana ye wura no ultimate to aka na kasa. Do the mama for you now the nipa sana na e kasa. Nipa ya de na nya. Mom ya sikire tie dia sanka tie no as a party. Na dia o ya ne ye to abani dia ye tinya kwanya aye campaign no. Obi kase na o kase wo bi enuma na wa fa nipa. Then constituency on for bi o ha. Abanya o beka na o ja man sa fa ye den. Ya nya constituency ha nti ko man constituency na kase on for bi o ha. German have where you near because they can't MPP party. We constituency a MPP here. What do you mean count to me and son of German have war? We can send about me. I can't abide no one, but we acquire and I'm so. And you're ready that people are peace. And you know, you shouldn't come here as regional chairman. Now, Mamma Tracy, I'm a tutor, I am here and for people. Meanwhile, we are not about me. I can't buy no. Of my name be top of my oha. It didn't come over no. As some of the can said, you're going and going. This time around, you are going to turn things around. I'm going to now as regular chairman. In fact, me this regular chairman, you have the brain. Or losing the credibility and carry our blue region.
and he doesn't know.
Uka Bronya Samana.
Make a Bronya Sama making the credibility and tell our blue regions because you are a 10 seats or 11 seats. That's to say you were one. And one no crano, a candidate, you know, to our tone home, said you are only a month for city and the rest to Abamano. Say, Carina Chairman Quantia, yes, I lose weight. I am very serious, a month for so. At party, I have to to me. No, now met to about Nipa and Kaisawani. I will a program nothing. Because now, on your class of the Casa.
All right, Obijin, Nipa and Brim. Why? Better say thank you so much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Beba Chawana Medena Kase. Yo, Beba Chawani. Yo.
The whole Ghana. We are number one. What is?
Medase. Yamishra.
Prof African Tamanto. When you are going to Mamentia, Paya was everything. Only be two Frankama and I am the Mus and Tantana free Mahama and Semu. You, Prof. I say, I did you on me a free fan. I have the papa.
Then how?
Wow, what was that from? And come on, what was that mean? On say, since you are the bow already. On the Matia, and then it's only the chairman, the secretary. And chair will be other. The chairman chair will be and let me tell. Almost so many. That's near Pencabo Moon. She said, baby, when you met you, Macau. That's a woman pine. No, be out for a more kind of pay. Not pay for what you want. Move from the country. I hear Ben Cabo more party. No, you can't say. Not for the top. I'm not saying so. He didn't walk or go. So, then funny said, the Bonian for a second Japan. That's the kind of phone in here. The baby day. That's the kind of phone to focus at the Bonian for. That's the Bonian to Rinia. The begin the power. And plenty for no one will be custom. Not a year. Move any panel. For the time, come in a country. I come in what near Roma prayer. And near Pencabo. That is a Moyano. And Yamunya. Oh, as in Penfonan come who say no more you be a yet of it. Over to a say, what can I expect to Japan project? A project is also a present living a war free. Would you know? That's the one Catata.
I'm saying you have really made my day today. And then one my day night day. And then one my nyajon hopa because as a submission no. You are trying to unite your party, and that is very, very good. But my last caller, that in fact, a friend is. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. But I'm a big Joe, but I don't reach a man from.
Okay, but hey, which man?
But I know
hey, Chairman, says on the do whatever I catch on the service me here. Why? I tell you, when I a friend here, we chat to.
You, Mr.